everyone, it's Robin, and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday. It is my favorite day of the week, not only because I get to share my fabulous thrifted finds with you guys, but it marks almost the last day before the weekend, which is really fun for me. Plus, on Thursdays, I normally go thrifting, which is my favorite thing to do ever. So, this past week, I found some really cool things. Some things are newer, and some things, well, most of the things that I found are vintage, which makes me super, super happy. So, with that being said, let's just go ahead and jump right into what I found this week because I have a lot of little things to share with you. All right, so let's start with the non-vintagey things first because I think that would be best. It's wintertime, and we all love candlelight. I absolutely love flameless candles, so I have been looking for some more to add to my collection, and I hit the mother lode this week. I found 3 different bags. They were each $2.49. So the first bag I found was $2.49. It had 2 candles in it. I already took it apart and used one of the candles. The first candle in there was just your plain old, off-white sort of candle, and it doesn't have a timer, which I love the timers on these things. But then it also had this little one in there as well with these sweet little butterflies on it, which I thought was super, super pretty. So this one seems more spring-like to me, obviously. So I'll be saving this one for springtime, but I think it is absolutely lovely, and you can't go wrong with a flameless candle. All right, so then I found 2 more. These I've already taken out of the bag. They were $2.49 as well, and these are the small size as well. There's a pair of these. Now, I don't know if you can see, if you're going to be able to see this because of how bright it is, but it's got this little pattern on it. There we go. It's got a nice little pattern on it, which I think is really cool, and these are actually bright white, which is not something that I have. Most of the candles that I have are, like a creamy white kind of color. These are made out of wax, and I think they're absolutely beautiful. These do not have a timer on them. They just have an on-off switch. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that or not, but they both do work, and I think they're amazing. So, love these. These are probably, 4 or 5 inches tall. And then I found another bag that had the matching large ones. These have the same pattern on them. If you can see that or not, I don't know if that's going to show up. There we go. It has the same pattern. They don't have the timer either. This one I don't think I have batteries in yet. Oh, yep, this one does. This one works. They both work, but one of them doesn't have a battery in it right now. But I am loving these candles. I think they are so pretty. So I am super excited to find these. And these were $2.49 as well. So that is a super good price on flameless candles. I've never, tell you the truth, even really looked for them at the thrift store, but now I will be from now on because at $2.49, normally for these candles this size, I think they run at least $5 each at like Target or something. And these are, pretty fancy looking ones. So I'm assuming they were definitely more than $2.49 for both of those. Oh, I am warm today. It is like spring-like weather. You go outside and it feels like spring right now, but the snow is coming, I am told. We're under a winter weather watch or something tomorrow and Friday. I think we're supposed to get like 4 to 9 inches of snow. Well, that's fine because, you know what? We haven't had much snow this year at all. We have been super spoiled this winter. So it's about time to actually have some winter weather. All right, so I have one other thing that is not considered, well, I wouldn't consider it a vintage thing, but I saw it and I thought would be so pretty. So it is a candle holder. It was $1.99 and it is by Party Light. It looks like this. It's just a simple black metal candle holder. The little ledge. It's got a little bit of detailing here on the bottom. And I just thought it was a pretty nifty. And it will definitely hold one of these candles on it very nicely. So I don't know quite where I will hang this, but another place to put another candle is always a good thing. So I thought it was nice. And plus I love, the black kind of wrought iron kind of look. against my white walls. I think it looks fabulous. So this will go nicely somewhere in my house. Loving that. I'm wondering if maybe it might end up in my bedroom, but I've got a lot of candles in there right now. So I don't know. We'll see. Maybe my kitchen or the hallway. I don't know. Anyways, so then we can move on to the vintage items that I found. And the first thing I found was a sweet little girl figurine, which I don't know. I'm just obsessed with these little figurines lately. This one I got for $3.99 or $3.19, I'm sorry. And it looks like this. Isn't she just adorable? I fell in love with her turquoise dress. She's so cute. It does have some words down here, and it says Thursday's girl in gold. And then she's got cute little bouquet there, little wings, a cute little hat with a flower. And I just thought she was super duper adorable. And then, let's see, she does have markings on the bottom, which are super tiny. It does say left in China on it, and then some numbers. So there was like 3 of them at the store, but I picked up just one. I didn't think I needed all of them, so I just picked my favorite with this gorgeous turquoise dress. So I think she's adorable, and I'll add her here and there around the house, wherever I feel like a little cuteness is in need. So this next piece I think is absolutely beautiful. And I was kind of shocked that I was drawn to it because of the colors. It's white and brown, but I saw it and I absolutely fell in love with it. And I think it'll be very pretty in the fall. It's got these cute little handles, cute little detailing, and look at these flowers. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. And it's got a cute little finial on top. It is so adorable. So, of course, I had to pick it up. And it was only $3.99, you guys. I love little things like this. I think they are so, so fun. It is marked on the bottom, but it's very smudged. I'll see what I can make out here. Upper Henley Pottery something, England. That almost looks like it says Brooklyn, too. So, I don't know. There's a lot of different things going on there. Maybe Brooklyn is the name of the pattern. I don't really know, but there's the marking in case you're wondering. Most of it's smudged and unreadable, but that is okay because I think this is absolutely gorgeous. So I am absolutely loving this and couldn't believe it was only $3.99. All right, so then I found another oil lamp, but this one is different because it's actually a metal one. This is my first metal one. I picked it up for $3.74. And look at this cool chimney on it. I think it is so fun. And then it's got this metal base. It's almost got like a pewter finish to it, but it's just plain metal. There's no, what does it say on the bottom? Caden Limited. I don't know how old this is, but it looks rather old to me. And I loved it. It's a nice little small one. Great little tabletop one, I think. So I am going to put a wick in this. It doesn't even have a wick. And see if I can't use it. I think it is so cool. So absolutely loving that as my first metal lantern. So I think that's cool. I did find one Christmas thing. The Christmas stuff at my stores are pretty picked over, but I did find a little tray. And it was $1.12. And of course, once you see it, you're going to know why I picked it up. It's got the bells. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I just love this so much. I think it is pretty. Love that it's white. I think that's cool. And that the bells really stand out on it. I think that is so, so pretty. Nashco Products, New York, chip and alcohol resistant. All right, then. Just so you know, it's chip resistant and alcohol resistant, which is a good thing, I guess. All right, so the next 2 things I picked up when they were on sale, or it was on a sale day, so it was 25% off. They were originally $3.99 each, so I got them for $2.99. I'm trying to get the sticker off so that I can show it to you sticker free, because this is super cool. All right, there we go. It is a hand mirror. So I got it for $2.99, and this is definitely probably the rustiest looking hand mirror I have found, but it was so beautiful I was not going to pass it up. It's this gold little number with this beautiful swirling on it. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. The handle is in, you know, a pretty rough shape, but that is okay. I don't mind at all. And the glass in it is in really good condition as well. So I am loving this. I think it is so pretty. So of course I had to add this to my collection of vintage hand mirrors. Alright, so I did find one other hand mirror to add to my collection. It was originally $3.99, got it for $2.99. And this one is different in the fact that it is not metal. Well, it has metal handle, but the base of it is plastic, which I have never found before. And it looks like this. It's got this gorgeous green color with like sparkles in it. I don't really know. And then this wonderful detailing in the middle. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And look at the shape of it. Oh, I think it is so cool. Got a great metal gold handle. And I think it's awesome. And the mirror itself is in great condition as well. So I am loving this as well. So now I have 2 new mirrors so I can add to my collection. Loving that. So that brings me to my absolute favorite and last find of today. I have kept my favorite for last today to share with you guys. And I am so thrilled because it is the most unique thing I think I have found at the thrift store in a very long time. And the crazy thing is that it's from the toy aisle. I had very, very rarely go down the toy aisle, but for that particular day, I decided to go down the toy aisle, and not 2 feet in, I spotted this on the shelf, and I was just like, what is that? You guys, it's so amazing. It was $7.99. It came in this bag right here. I have since, of course, taken everything out of the bag because there's a whole bunch of little pieces in there. As soon as I got home, I had to take them out. But basically, you got a little preview if you watched my Hop Around the House challenge where I decorated my bedroom. I found a whole bag of these adorable little houses. Look at these. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are so amazing. They are little wood bases that have these little cardboard pieces that go out over the top of them. And they kind of wrap around the outside of the wood, and these little trees hold them on. Now I've done a little bit of research on these, and I haven't found anything exactly the same, but something very, very similar. And they're considered a village for toy trains. And this is one of the pieces, and I have a whole box of other pieces. So I can't remember how many. I think there's like 8 or 9. So here's the railroad depot. And then we have a little barn. And then there's a house. And another house. And let's see. This might be a house too. A house or a log cabin, I can't quite. Looks like log cabin on the side. So there's that one. Let's just say, this has the fire department. And here's another little house. And here is the market. And the pharmacy. Let's see. There's a church. And what is this? Another house. This one looks like another one. Anyways, there's another house. And then we get into a couple that are kind of rather bad, that aren't quite complete. This one is the school. It's missing its little top pieces. And then there's a restaurant. This one is also missing its little top piece. This little guy is the gas station, and he's missing his roof altogether. It did come with this little car, which I don't think it's original to it, but isn't it cute? And then here's another one. What is this? Just a building. Another building with that is missing its little chimney. And then it has 4 of these, which I'm assuming you put the house on and then it's like the little driveway or whatever. I'm not really sure. And it has an autumn tree. And a spring tree. This one actually has the little stand for it. And then it has a few of these little brick fences. And that is it. Isn't that cool? I just think these are so adorable. So I'm going to find a little place to set up some of them. Otherwise, I'm just going to use these little houses and just sort of, like I did in my bedroom, just tuck some in here and there. And I just think they are the coolest thing ever. So I'm super excited to have found those. Alright guys, so that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's haul. I would love to know what of the items that I found this week is your favorite. And of course, if you've got to the thrift store this week yourself, I would love to know what you picked up. So leave me a comment down below, let me know that. And I will see you guys again next week for another Thrift Store Thursday. Bye now.